Welcome to my channel Syndicate Academy of English Language. Today I am going to discuss about Deepavali. Deepavali is also called the Earthen Bowl Festival, Mitti ke Diyon ka Tyohar. And all people they light the earthen bowls, and if you are going to light the earthen bowls on Deepavali or this festival, then and you are keeping all the earthen bowls in the corner of your house, it means you are not leaving a single corner without lighting. It means you are removing the darkness from your house. And same way we should also light the wicks of our mind, because if you are removing the darkness of your mind, and if you can light your mind, if you can light the wicks of your mind, then you can see the future with better clarity, and you can understand and you can see the highways and subways of your success, right? So today I am going to invite one student over here, and she will come and she will speak first about her introduction, and after that I will ask some questions concerned to Earthen Bowl Festival, and she will give the answer properly. So come on now, first you speak your intro, your hobbies, your strong point, your weak points, all whatever you want to speak, you can speak.
A very good afternoon to all of you and respected sir. My name is Priya Gangwar. My father's name is Mr. Dinesh Pal. My mother's name is Mrs. Kusum Gangwar. I belongs to Bareilly. I am doing study in Radhamada Public School in 8th standard. At this time I am learning English language in Syndicate Academy under the guidance of R.P. Gangwar sir. After learning English, I want to make my career in government sector because this is fixed and permanent sector. But by chance I could not get a job. Then I would like to go in private sector. This is big and wide sector. My weak points are overthinking and are speaking English and reading good books and dancing.
Okay, can you speak about your school? What class are you doing study? What your school name and things? Speak.
My school name is Radhamada Public School. I am doing study in 8th standard. In my school there is many students are doing study. In my school there is one big playground and computer labs, library, music room. Somesh R.S. principal of my school.
Okay, very good. Where are you learning English language?
I am learning English language in Syndicate Academy under the guidance of R.P. Gangwar sir.
Now I am going to ask you some questions about Earthen Bowl Festival यानी दीपावली फेस्टिवल के ऊपर. Will you celebrate Earthen Bowl Festival?
Yes, I will celebrate Earthen Bowl Festival.
Okay. With whom will you celebrate?
I will celebrate with my family.
You know why we celebrate Earthen Bowl Festival? क्यों मनाते हैं? Can you tell me?
Yes, I can tell. Earthen Bowl Festival we celebrate because Lord Ram returned after defeating Ravan. That's why we celebrate Earthen Bowl Festival.
Yes, after killing Ravan, when Ram returned with Sita, Lakshman, and all the people who were living in Ayodhya at that time, they lit the earthen bowls with the native butter, desi ghee के उन्होंने दिए जलाए, and since then we have been celebrating this festival, right? So will you crack the crackers?
Yes, I will crack the crackers, but I don't want to crackers.
Yes, I will crack the crackers, very few, as a just auspicious, जिसका एक मुहूर्त होता है, only for that, not more. Because crackers leave or emit lot of smoke and many other things, that this thing pollute our environment, हमारे environment को pollute करती हैं, right? And you celebrate Earthen Bowl Festival in Bareilly, or will you celebrate Earthen Bowl Festival in your village?
I will celebrate Earthen Bowl Festival in my village.
Why will you celebrate Earthen Bowl Festival in village while you can see in the city area you can find the better options, you can see the better things here?
Because my father's advice to celebrate.
Yes, you can say कि I want to connect myself to the village area. It's a traditional way, and I go there. I do lot of enjoy with my friends and with many other people, and so I will celebrate over there. इनसे पूछिए, will you do the shopping of new clothes on this festival?
Will you do the shopping of new clothes on this festival?
Yes, I will do the shopping of new clothes in this festival because in this festival we worshipping the god is Lakshmi and god Ganesh.
God Ganesha, okay, right. And you can ask about that. What will you eat on this festival?
What will you eat on this festival?
I will eat on this festival. I will eat some sweets made by mother and
Or you can say homemade dish.
and homemade is
Because mostly if you are going to purchase from the outer shop, then you are not getting the pure things. You are getting the adulterated things. Adulterated कहते हैं मिलावटी sweets you can find. That's why my mother will prepare at my home, and I will take only that, and I will take papadums. Papadums कहते हैं पूड़ी को, stuffed papadums, and many other dishes. Right? इनसे पूछिए, will you do study in these holidays? इन छुट्टियों में पढ़ाई भी करोगे, और only you will celebrate?
yes, I will do some study in these holidays.
Yes, I will do only some study morning time or afternoon time, but evening time I would not have any kind of time to do study. That's why 2 days I will do only full enjoyment, and I will celebrate this festival because it is the light festival, and light festival is the best festival, right? And anything special you would like to do on this festival? कुछ और बढ़िया करेंगे?
I will make the rangoli in my home.
Yes, I will make the rangoli at my place, and I will make with different colors, because color is the symbol of enjoyment, and also color shows कि if you have colors in your life is very good, right? Okay, thank you very much. Go now and sit down.